Versatility is key to the Presto Kitchen Kettle multi-cooker steamer. It deep fries, steams, roasts, boils, and more. The kitchen kettle is so helpful, you'll use it every day. Simmer delicious soups and stews, braise beef, pork, and poultry, or boil pasta and rice. The handy basket is ideal for steaming or blanching vegetables and deep frying. The basket hooks on the rim for easy draining. The Presto Kitchen Kettle multi-cooker steamer deep fries up to 6 cups of French fries, and the Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically. When done, remove the heat control, and the multi-cooker, the cover, and the basket are fully immersible and dishwasher safe. The heavy cast aluminum construction heats evenly and resists warping. Premium nonstick finish inside and out assures easy cleaning. Perfect for deep frying, steaming, stewing, roasting, and boiling. So versatile you'll use it every day. The Kitchen Kettle multi-cooker steamer from Presto.